guys, this is Alex with OttoEx, and today a vehicle that's very close to my heart. This is a 1978 original Toyota Sunrader Liftback. So this was the original model mold of the Sunrader. Comes in at 16.5 feet long. It's built on the 1978 Toyota pickup chassis with a 20R engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. So you'll right away notice some serious differences between this and the newer Sunraders that were made after '79. This is a rear entry, and also the rear hatch flips up. It's hinged at the top. This one has been upgraded with the Toyota 1-ton 6-lug axle. All original decals. Give you a walk around here so you can see the whole setup. This spent most of its life in a barn in Idaho. We had since rescued it, brought it up from California, and it's been taken care of over the past year by myself as well as a close friend. So looking inside the cab here, everything is original. Door cards, shag mustard carpet, caramel interior vinyl, seats and vinyl floors, dashboard and dash pad. Getting in, glove box, records, including the 1978 owner's manual for the truck, a 1980s Sears and Roebuck tape deck and radio AM/FM upgrade, made in Japan. Branded by Sears. This guy has 113 original miles. Sorry, 113,000 original miles on the clock. Headliner. Even the original windshield. It also came with AC, which blows cold. We just had this system serviced last year. Works better than a lot of modern systems. It gets everything's really cold and fires up right away. Let's hop around to the driver's side. This is just an incredibly charming and timeless vehicle. Myself, I've driven it over 2,000 miles, camped in it, used it, enjoyed it. It's so light, 3,600 pounds wet. Hammers up the hill at 55. Beats the heck out of my 87 with the 2.2 RE. Everything works. So let's go ahead and take you guys into the rear. But we do have outer compartments here, which I'll show you first. Propane. The whole system has been redone. New tanks, new regulator. So the fridge, stove, the oven all run on propane. This is your gray water outlet. Hook up a hose to have that draining. It's the back end of your dinette oven stovetop combination city water hookup. Rear bumper has been bare metal restored, repainted. And here is the interior. Everything is original, from the linoleum floor to the shag carpet, the caramel siding. Got a little storage up here above your stove hood, light, fan. Below is your 3-burner stovetop, completed with the dinette, traveler dinette heater. This has a heat function. The oven blows heat. This switch here, you have your controls, everything works. Owner's manuals for all of this as well. Double sink, under sink storage. You have your Dometic fridge, Dometic 211. Two-way, works great on propane or off the battery. Full length vanity mirror. Back here is actually your bathroom, where we have the table stored. Original table, toilet, some privacy shades, little inner bathroom vanity, and a roof vent. So as you can see, everything works, even these original light fixtures all around. Pretty amazing. Original upholstery, plaid, curtains. There's more of these lights. They all work. This dinette turns into a bed. This bed pulls out like this. So what we have here is a full king-size bed. The lower cushions from the dinette fit in perfectly up top here to complete the bed if you have it in its fully pulled out position. We're not doing that right now, so let's just push it back in. All right, and that's how it goes. Original headliner, fabric, everything. We have an escape hatch here, which works also as a vent. Taking another look ahead at the cab. So what I'm going to do now is, well, first I'll show you more storage. There's storage under here, and there's storage under here, as well as your freshwater tank, your holding tank. And here is your Suretron. Switches you from shore power to battery. You have this. So that's for your shore power to electric switch over. storage here, counter space here. So let's go around front and we'll fire it up. All right, here we go. Radio works. Gearbox 2, 3, 4, and then reverse. This thing was just tuned up, carburetor rebuilt, still runs the original carb, and this baby runs smooth. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and gonna be doing more of these. The new owners have just arrived.